Before I start this video, I have decided to use my new comedy world form, but an MLPG form. Credit goes to Ivan the Brony, Kaiju, and Taylan Baris with the comedy world of Sunset Shimmer. I thought I still look like Sunset Shimmer, but I look different. Anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, class. Today we're going to do some math. Oh my goodness! James Fenny, how dare you burp in class and stand it up? That was so disgusting of you. That's it. I had no choice but to send you to the principal's office right now.
James Fenny, we don't ever stand up or burp in class. That's it. Go home now. James, I cannot believe that you stand up and burp in class. That's so it. You are punished forever. Go to sleep now, you bad little brother.